My grandpa grew up somewhere around about 5 miles east of here. He did the farming thing. He went bankrupt farming, and he had a simple prayer of he doesn't know what he's going to do and how he's going to do it and pay for everything. And so he made a simple prayer. I'm paraphrasing here of Lord, I don't know what I'm going to do, so please give me and send me a sign to tell me what I need to do. And he always told the story as 3 days later, could have been a day and a half, I don't know, but he ended up getting a call. Now, he'd done some welding on the side, and someone came up and they're like, hey, have you ever built furniture before? No, I haven't, but I'll give it a go. I'll give it a try. And so he does. They work together, they come up with a design. When it was all said and done, by that first summer, he was taking stock trailers full of furniture that he had built, selling out, and then coming back home with orders, pages worth of orders to fill. No, it would have been 2004, the summer of 2004, whenever I first started. And Grandpa called me up and he said, you want to work for me this summer, or are you going to play Legos and play Legos and video games all summer long? My basic job was keep the extension cords rolled up correctly, don't make any trip hazards. Basically a glorified gopher. Go for this, go for that, go get this. And if we needed something from the pickup, I was the one running down the stairs, going back up, while Grandpa was sitting there scratching his head and, what did we do wrong? Where do we go from here? Things like that. I worked for him until the summer of 2009, and that's whenever they had been trying to find cancer in him, and he ended up falling somewhere in the fall of 2009. They x-rayed him, and they found that cancer had been in his lungs for, it was almost as if the cancer just latched on and attacked his injury. And the doctor gave him 3 months. He went for a second opinion, and he lasted about 2. People were always asking him, who's going to inherit all this stuff whenever you're gone? Who's going to take over this when you're gone? Who's going to do all this when you're gone? And he would just point over to me, Axe gets it all. If it wasn't for my grandpa or for my dad, the things that they did and the things that they set up prior and or failed prior, I wouldn't be where I am today. We share my family legacy with every cut and grind, every bend and roll, and every strike of the hammer.